Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. This is going to be a Ghost 2 tutorial guide on how to use the Ghost 2 on your Range Rover 2016 or below. And this also applies to Range Rovers below 2016 as well. So the first thing is, when you turn the car on, you cannot press the brake. So you don't press the brake, you only press the start button. When you press the start button, then your dash will turn on, and then you enter your code 1 2 3 4. You will get 2 flashes on the indicator. If your indication is different, we will let you know on the day when we install it. And now you can start the vehicle. Right. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you change your code. So when you get in the vehicle, do not press the brake pedal, just press the start button only. Now you enter your code, so whatever your code is. Wait for the flashes, and now what you do is you press your gas pedal, not the brake, the gas. Press that all the way down and you hold, do not let go of the gas. So while holding the gas, you enter your code again. Do not let go of the gas. As you can see, now it's going to keep flashing, so now you can let go of the gas. So once you let go of the gas, you can enter your new code. So the buttons you can use, we will let you know on the day what buttons you can use on your vehicle. So I'm just going to change this back to basic one. So 1 2 3 4. When you enter it one time, it will flash 3 times, and now you have to re-enter it again. 1 2 3 4, and it will flash 2 times to let you know the code's been changed. If it flashes 4 times, it means you entered it wrong the second time, and you got to redo the whole code. Now the car starts as normal. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you put the vehicle into service mode. So what you do is you just press the start button only, do not press the brake, and now you put your code in 1 2 3 4. Wait for the flashes. Now what you do is don't turn the engine on, you press the cancel button 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5, and it will flash 5 times on the dash. That's it, and now you can start the car as normal. So now you don't need to enter your code, the car will start without the code. But this is only for garage or service use. It is limited, so if you drive at 30 miles an hour for more than 5-10 minutes, it will turn the system back on automatically when you stop the vehicle, and you'll have to enter the code. It's only meant to be driven in a small area, not at a high speed for a set amount of time, like 5 or 10 minutes. So when you get the car back, all you do is just put the ignition on, do not press anything, just put your code in as normal. Two flashes, and that's it. Just turn the car on. Now you'll have to enter the code every time you start the vehicle. For those 2 guys, if you want more information, just send us a call or a message, we can help you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel.